Who puts up the case first has an upper hand? The very common question and a very important question. I would say, unfortunately, let's take it illustration by illustration. If I'm a husband, I filed divorce. Thereafter, as a counterblast to my divorce, my wife has filed police complaints, maintenance cases, domestic violence petitions. Is the court going to consider this? There is going to be perhaps the slightest bit of sympathy that the court and the police will have that soon after me filing my divorce case, the wife has filed all these cases. However, majority of the times these cases still go on. The courts and the police say that you filing your divorce case does not mean that the wife is then prohibited, or her right to file any of these cases now goes away, and so her cases also go on. But a lot of times, especially criminal cases, especially if the husband has filed his divorce, but I don't recommend divorce. You avail of your civil criminal remedies in law first and foremost, and even before that, at least attempt pre-litigation mediation. There are occasions, many of them, where especially the criminal case, the courts of law have quashed, saying that this was a counterblast to the husband's initial case. On the flip side, if after the wife has filed her cases against the husband, if the husband then files his cases, pretty much the same logic applies. The court says we are not going to bar the husband's claims just because the wife has filed her cases first. To summarize, you will get, perhaps the way I put this to clients, by about a 5 to 10% extra benefit if you do avail of your remedy prior to your spouse availing their legal remedy in law.